Hello, boys and girls. Guess what time it is? It's Eureka time. And today we are March 24th, 2021, and our goal is to get a 90% or higher on our end of module. Today we're going to be doing lesson 7, and our objective says, I can name and count shapes as parts of a whole, recognizing relative sizes of the parts. Basically, we're going to be able to cut shapes into equal parts and count the parts that it was cut into. So let's learn a little bit more with our key points. Here we have our key points. And what do we need to know? Well, we just need to know what equal parts are. And for that, I have a little anchor chart right here, and it tells you these are the equal parts, and this is what unequal parts, which means not equal parts, look like. So in order for them to be equal, both sides need to be the same, or all the parts need to be the exact same size and shape as the other part for them to be equal. How are we going to be successful? Well, first, we just identify the parts in the shape are equal. So we say, is it equal? Yes or no. And then second, we just identify or draw the number of parts. So then we just count the number of parts, or we make the number of parts that they want us to make. Are you ready to learn? All I need is your ears, your eyes, and you sitting like a star student. You don't need anything else. This will be short so that we can be successful. Ready? So let's go ahead and start. Look at these shapes. Some of these shapes on the chart were made with equal parts. Can you help me find them? Well, let's see. I am going to get my yellow highlighter because it says to color both equal parts yellow. So look at this big shape that we have right here. What is this shape? What is the big shape? Get ready. Yes, a square. And do you see all the parts used to create this big square? Well, let's count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 parts. But are they equal? Get ready. No, right? And they are not equal because it's made up of different shapes. And in order for it to be equal, it has to be the same shape and size. Let's look at this one. This is another square made with 2 triangles. Are the parts equal? Get ready. Yes, because they're the same shape, which is 2 triangles, and the same size. So I'm going to go ahead and color this one yellow. Look at this one over here. This is another square. Are the parts equal? Get ready. Yes. How many equal parts do we have? Get ready. Yes, 2. So we're going to go ahead and color it in. And if you said that it's the exact same shape as this one we just colored, you are right. It's just bigger, right? So thank you for paying attention. Next, we have this big triangle. So is it made up of equal parts? Get ready. No, right? Next, we have this other triangle. Is it made of equal parts? Get ready. Yes. How many equal parts is it made of? Get ready. 2. So let's color it in yellow because it's made up of 2 smaller triangles and they're the same size and shape. So let me go ahead and color it in. And let's move on to this shape. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, a shape with 4 sides, but is it cut into equal pieces? Get ready? No. So we are not going to color it in yellow. Let's look at this other shape over here. Is this one made up of equal parts? Get ready? No, you are correct. And finally, we have a trapezoid here. Is this made up of equal parts? Get ready? No. So very good. Thank you so much, boys and girls, for helping me find the shapes that were made with equal parts. Now I have one last thing for us to look at. So think about this. How can we make a hexagon using smaller pattern block pieces? So this is a hexagon. And I made a hexagon here with 6 small triangles. Let me ask you the first question. Is it made up of equal parts? Get ready. Yes. How many equal parts is it made out of? Get ready. Yes, 6 equal parts. Make sure to say the full vocabulary word. Here, I made another hexagon. This time I used 2 trapezoids. So, first question, is it made up of equal parts? Get ready. Yes. How many equal parts does it have? Get ready. Yes, 2 equal parts. Great job. And last shape that I made was another hexagon, but this time I used a triangle, I used a rhombus, and I used a trapezoid. So, first question to think about, is this shape made with equal parts? Get ready. No, right? It is not because they're all different shapes and sizes. So those are not equal parts. Great job, boys and girls. Thank you for helping me today find the equal parts and count the parts. We're going to be doing the same thing in our problem set, but we will be using Pear Deck. So make sure you log into Pear Deck and Teams so that we can have a fun learning day. See you then.